try to solve another Leetcode problem, 439, tertiary expression parser. So for this problem, we are giving an expression. So let's start to check the expression, and we are also giving such kind of characters inside the expression. As we can see, there's a question mark and the semicolon, and there's a T and F. And except that there's also one digit numbers. It's gonna be from 0 to 9. Yeah. So for this problem, we're gonna evaluate the expression and return the result. So this is similar to the conditional expressions group, but we're gonna read it from right to left. Yeah. So for this example, this is a T, and we're gonna read it from right to left. So if we find something, find a question mark, and after that, from the right to left, there's a T, so it's gonna be 2. And for this, from right to left, so we find the question mark, and it is a T, so we're gonna get a 4, and this is F, and finally we're gonna return 4. And for this example, we're gonna read it from right to left, and we find a question mark. Yeah. So if we find this question mark, what are we gonna do? We're gonna find this capital T. So if it is a T, we're gonna yeah, let me have a check. So if this is a so if this is T, we're gonna get F. So for example, this is from here, we can read it like this. So if it is a T, we're gonna get F. Yeah. So this is a T question mark, and this is F, and we're gonna get F, and then we're gonna have a 3, and this is a T, and we're gonna get F. Yeah. So this is one of the representations. So this is a T question mark. This is a T question mark with F and 5. Yeah, so for this T, definitely we can choose F or 5, but it's gonna be F. So after F, it's gonna be 3. Yeah, so we can do it like this. And there's also another way. So another way is that so from here it's gonna be so from here it's gonna be the same, and then we're gonna check this T. And this is true, so it's gonna be TF and 5. Yeah, so we're gonna choose them together. And this is a T, and we're gonna choose F. Yeah, so no matter how we did it, finally, we're gonna get this F. Yeah. So how can we solve it easily? Because normally for a tertiary mark, for such kind of expressions, we might think about whether we can solve it by using a stack, because we are checking the characters one by one from the right to left. Yeah, maybe we can use a stack. So the idea is that from which character we're gonna check. So it is important for us to recognize that we're gonna check the question mark, because if we find a question mark, it means we're gonna we need to do something about it. Yeah. So if we find a question mark, so let me just use this expression. So this is T question mark, and T question mark, and F 5 and 3. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check the characters from the right to left one by one. So if it is a number 3, we're gonna put it inside of the stack. And now if it is a number 5, we're gonna put it inside of the stack. Yeah. Now if we find F, we're gonna still put it inside of the stack. Yeah, because this is exactly what we're gonna do. First of all, we put 3 inside of the stack, and then 5, and then F. Yeah. Do we need to put this question mark into the stack? No, we don't need to do it. We just need to use it to check. If we find a question mark, what are we gonna do? We find another character before the question mark, because According to this question mark, we don't know how to choose, but the character before it is really important. It can be T or F. Yeah. So this is a T. What are we gonna do? We're gonna choose two characters. So for this F, this is from the left side. From the left side, we're gonna have a F, and from the right side, we're gonna have a 5. So this means this is a question mark. At the left side, there's the F, and at the right side, there's a 5. So now we are finding this character T, and we need to choose the left side. So this means, yeah. So this means we're gonna choose this character F. Yeah. So this is exactly what we are going to do. So first of all, we're gonna pop this 5 and pop this F out of the stack, and then we're gonna decide which character we're gonna choose. Is it 5 or is it F? It is F. Now the stack becomes 3 and F. Yeah. So this is inside of the stack. It is 3 and F because this is a character T. Now we're gonna continue to check. This is a question mark. Okay, we're gonna check the character before it. It is a T. Now it is a character T, and still we need to choose left or right. As it is a T, we're gonna choose the left side. So it's gonna be so this F gonna be from the left side, and this is 3 gonna be from the right side. So we're gonna still choose F because the first character popped out from the stack. It's gonna be from the left side, and the second one gonna be from the right side. So this means we're gonna choose this F. So finally, we're gonna return this F. So this is the basic idea of how we're gonna use the stack to solve the problem. Yeah. Now let's just start coding. So we're gonna prepare n gonna be length of the expression, and we're gonna prepare I gonna be n minus 1 because we're gonna check from the right to the left, and we're gonna prepare an empty stack. Now we're gonna use a while loop while I more than equal to 0. We're gonna check the characters one by one. If expression I dot is lnum, so if it is alphabet or if it is a num, we need to put it inside, right? So stack gonna append this expression I, elif the expression I may equal to question mark. Yeah, I mean after the if and elif check, definitely we're gonna update the I gonna minus equal to 1. Yeah, because there is also some characters like the semicolon, and we can directly update it because if it is not, so the I gonna minus equal to 1. Yeah. Now if it is a question mark, what are we gonna do? First of all, we're gonna update the I gonna minus equal to 1. So if this is a question mark, we're gonna update it to the index before it. So this is a capital T. At the same time, we're gonna prepare the left first. We're gonna equal to the stack.pop. Yeah. So for example, we're gonna put 3 and 5 inside. Yeah. First of all, it is 3 and then 5. If we were to pop out, it must be at the left side first, and the right gonna equal to stack.pop. Yeah. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna check the expression I. Yeah. If this expression I equal to T, it means we're gonna choose the left. So the stack gonna append the left. So otherwise, the stack gonna append the right. So finally, there must be one number or one character left inside of the stack. We just needed to return a stack.pop. Yeah. So this is the whole idea of how to solve the problem. As you can see, if we are using a stack, everything gonna be clean. But it's really difficult to think about it. Why are we gonna use a stack? But if we use a stack, definitely it's gonna be, yeah. Definitely it's gonna be easier for us to solve the problem. You know, it is just own time, and we can solve it easily. And now let me just submit it to check if it can pass. Yeah, now as you can see, the possible all testing cases, and it's pretty fast. And for such a stack problem, I don't know whether there's some easy ways to use the stack, but basically for such kind of problem, first of all, we're gonna feel, or we're gonna think about it, this might be a stack problem, and then we're gonna try to use the stack from the left to right or from right to left, as it is